Sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. Next, up curve. Very good. Down curve. Very good. Left curve. Right curve. Circle. Circle. Standing line. Sleeping line. Up curve. Down curve. Left curve. Right curve. Circle. Circle.